Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. The ultimate guide to tire care and replacement for American truck owners. Tires are the unsung heroes of every truck on the road. They keep you safe, ensure smooth rides, and even save you money when maintained properly. Neglecting them, however, can lead to costly repairs, accidents, or poor fuel efficiency. In this video, you'll learn how to care for your truck's tires and know when it's time for replacements. It's all about keeping your ride safer, longer, and more efficient. Key components of tire care. Proper tire maintenance is critical for truck owners. It ensures safety, efficiency, and keeps repair costs down. Here's what you need to know about maintaining your truck's tires. Regular inspection and maintenance frequency. How often do you really check your tires? For trucks, especially those handling heavy loads or long distances, inspections should be routine. A quick visual check weekly and thorough inspections monthly is a good practice. Factors like road conditions, weather, and truck usage can dictate how often you check tires. If you're frequently tackling rough terrains or driving in extreme temperatures, inspect them more often. Poor road conditions and heavy loads accelerate wear and tear, making regular checkups even more essential. Tire pressure management. Maintaining the right tire pressure isn't optional, it's a must. Tires with too little or too much air can cost you big, both in safety and money. Underinflated tires lead to uneven wear, reduced fuel efficiency, and increase the risk of blowouts. Overinflated tires? They wear out faster in the center and compromise traction. Checking tire pressure every time you fuel up is an easy habit to form. Use a reliable pressure gauge, and always follow the manufacturer recommended PSI levels listed in your truck's manual or on the tire itself. A simple adjustment can mean a better ride and longer tire lifespan. Tread depth monitoring. Your tire's tread is what keeps you glued to the road. When tread depth drops below safe levels, your risk of accidents skyrockets, especially on wet roads. An easy way to check tread depth? Use the penny test. Insert a penny into the tread groove with Lincoln's head facing down. If you can see his entire head, it's time to replace the tire. Worn treads mean less grip, longer braking distances, and less control during turns. Invest in a tread depth gauge for better accuracy. Regular checks ensure you're not rolling the dice with your safety. Wheel alignment and balancing. Over time, your truck's wheels can become misaligned or unbalanced. This not only causes uneven tire wear but also affects handling. Does your truck pull to one side or vibrate at certain speeds? These are signs you need wheel alignment or balancing. Alignment ensures tires sit correctly, improving fuel efficiency and extending tire life. Balancing fixes weight imbalances in wheels, preventing excessive vibrations. Both services should be done every 6,000 to 8,000 miles or sooner if you notice issues. Think of it as keeping your truck's tires on track, literally. Seasonal tire changes. Weather is a game changer when it comes to tires. If you're driving in winter, switching to winter tires is smart. These are built for icy roads, offering better grip and control. In warmer months, all-season or summer tires are more effective for handling and longevity. Using the wrong tire type for the season can lead to reduced performance and faster wear. Don't wait for the first snowstorm or heatwave to make the swap. Set reminders for seasonal tire changes, and enjoy worry-free driving in any condition. Signs it's time for tire replacement. Knowing when to replace your truck's tires is essential for safety and performance. While regular maintenance can extend their lifespan, all tires will eventually need replacement. If you're unsure whether it's time, there are clear signs to look for. Here's what you should keep an eye on. Visual damage. Visible damage is one of the easiest ways to spot a tire in trouble. Any damage to the tire's surface or structure can compromise safety. Look out for cracks or bulges on the sidewalls. These can indicate internal damage and the risk of a blowout. Cuts, punctures, or embedded objects in the tread or sidewall. Even small injuries can lead to air loss or unsafe driving conditions. Worn patches or exposed cords. If the rubber is worn down to the cords, the tire has lost its integrity and must be replaced. If you notice any of these, don't wait. Driving on damaged tires can lead to accidents or leave you stranded. Uneven wear patterns. Uneven tire wear isn't just bad for your tires, it's also a warning sign of deeper mechanical issues. Common uneven wear patterns include feathering. The edges of the tread feel smooth on one side and sharp on the other. This often points to alignment problems. Cupping or scalloping. Dips are irregular patterns across the tread. This can result from suspension issues or unbalanced wheels. Center wear. The center of the tread is more worn than the edges, usually due to overinflation. Shoulder wear. More wear on the edges than the center, often caused by underinflation or improper alignment. If you spot uneven wear, not only should you consider replacing the tire, but it's also a good idea to have your alignment, suspension, and tire pressure checked. Tread wear indicators. Modern tires have built-in tread wear indicators to help you understand when it's time to replace them. These indicators are small, raised bars located in the grooves of the tire tread. They're designed to be invisible when your tread depth is within a safe range, but as your tires wear, the tread wears down to the same level as the bars, making them visible. This shows the tread is likely at or below 2/32 of an inch, the legal minimum in most states. If the indicators are flush with the tread, the tire's grip on the road is significantly reduced. Don't wait until they're completely bald to replace them. Age of tires. Even if your tires appear fine and have plenty of tread left, age alone can make them unsafe. Tires degrade over time due to exposure to heat, UV light, and general wear. As a rule of thumb, replace tires every 6 to 10 years, even if they look okay. Check the date code on the tire sidewall. This 4-digit number shows the week and year the tire was made, e.g., 1520, for the 15th week of 2020. Older tires are more prone to cracking, blowouts, and losing their ability to grip the road. Don't let age sneak up on you. It's better to err on the side of caution. Performance issues. Your truck's performance can tell you a lot about the health of your tires. If you're noticing any of the following issues, it's time for an inspection and possibly a replacement. Vibrations while driving. This could indicate uneven wear, unbalanced tires, or internal damage. Longer braking distances. Worn or aged tires lose their grip, especially in wet conditions. Poor handling. If you're struggling with steering or feel the truck drifting, your tires could be to blame. Frequent air loss. A tire that constantly needs air might have hidden damage or be nearing the end of its life. Ignoring these symptoms can lead to blowouts or other failures at the worst possible moment. Don't gamble with your safety, tackle these signs early. That's it for part 1 of our guide to tire care and replacement. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on part 2, where we'll talk about signs it's time to replace your tires and choosing the right ones for your truck. Stay tuned. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.